Is the dream of a free Minecraft finally within reach, or just a blocky fantasy? Let's break it down. First, the harsh reality. Officially, a full, legitimate copy of Minecraft Java or Bedrock Edition costs money. Mojang Studios, now part of Microsoft, isn't giving it away. Head to Minecraft.net to see the current price for your region. Tempted by those free Minecraft downloads online? Huge red flag. These are often loaded with viruses, malware, or are simply scams. Avoid them like a creeper in your base. Seriously, don't click. Now, for a glimmer of hope, Minecraft Education Edition offers a trial period. This is designed for classroom use, but you might be able to snag a limited, legal, and safe way to experience Minecraft. Check if you're eligible for the trial on the Minecraft Education website. There's also the classic version. This original, browser-based version of Minecraft is completely free and playable instantly. It's extremely limited compared to the modern game, but it's a fun nostalgia trip and doesn't cost a penny. Just search Minecraft Classic. Finally, be aware of inspired by games on mobile platforms. These are not official Minecraft, but may offer a similar block building experience for free or a lower price. Read reviews carefully before downloading anything that looks too good to be true. So, will Minecraft ever truly be free? Officially, probably not. But explore the Education Edition trial, enjoy the classic version, and always be cautious of suspicious downloads. Now get out there and build something awesome.